Good afternoon, my dear students. I hope you're doing well. I also hope that you have shared a lot with your family. Today, I'm going to show you how to join our upcoming virtual meeting or virtual class that we are going to have next Tuesday and next Wednesday. Okay, so the first thing that you are going to do is to go to Savio. Okay, please type your T code and also your password, then log in. Let's wait for it. It's loading. Okay, I'm gonna show you step by step as if I were a student, okay? So over here, I'm gonna choose the course that I usually have at 7 a.m. in the morning. Keep this in mind, please. The procedure is the same for everybody, for every group, okay? So don't be worried about it. I'm gonna show you how to do it with the group that I have at 7 a.m. in the morning from Monday to Thursday, but it's the same for the one that I have at 10 a.m. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna do after you choose the course, you're gonna see the whiteboard as usual. You will be seeing the assignments, the homework, the all the material that I usually share with you. Okay, but today let's focus on one section. Okay, calendar, calendar section. Where can you find it? You can take a look on the right side of the screen and you will see it. Okay? Then we are gonna choose or we're gonna click on the date that we are supposed to have the meeting. In this case, I chose March the 24th. So let's click on it. This is only for the group that has classes from 7 to 7:50. Okay, once you are in, once you click on it, you will see this. Okay, you will see the date, also the day, the month, everything. Class Tuesday, March the 24th from 7 to 7:50. You will find a link where you can find some resources that we will be using next Tuesday or for both sections, no problem at all. And also, most importantly, over here, here you got the links that you are gonna use to join the meeting through Microsoft Teams. So what are we gonna do next? Let's click on unirse a reunión de Microsoft Teams over here. Okay, let's cancel because I'm gonna show you what to do. Okay, this is the name of the app that you have to download. I highly recommend you to download it. Les recomiendo que bajen la aplicación al computador, a la tablet, al teléfono, okay? Because it's gonna be very useful. Es útil y es más rápido hacerlo así. Okay, so we have two actions or three actions. Descargar la aplicación de Windows, unirse por internet en su lugar, or ya tienes la aplicación de Teams. In this case, I already have the application. I already have the app. Ya yo tengo la aplicación. Entonces, iniciar la obra. Abrir. And we will be directed straight to it. Okay. Once you do that, this is what you are going to be seeing. Esto es lo que van a ver una vez que hagan eso. I strongly, encourage you to turn off the microphone and the camera. Les pido por favor apaguen tanto la cámara del computador o del dispositivo y también su micrófono. ¿Vale? What do you do next? ¿Qué haces luego? Unirse ahora. It's loading, as you can see, it's connecting. Está conectándose. It's loading. Let's wait for it. Okay, here we are. Y acá estamos. This is what you are gonna see. Esto es lo que van a ver. Okay? Again, please turn off the camera and also turn off the microphone.
A cámara apagada y micrófono apagado. I'm gonna show you through this, this spot. I'm gonna show you slides, exercises. We're gonna be talking about certain, topics as the class goes on. Okay? It's a normal class, so I don't want you to be worried about it. Es una clase normal. Por acá vamos a compartir recursos, vamos a estar participando. We are gonna do everything that we normally do when we are in the class. Okay? Listo. Entonces, over here you got a chat section, as you can see, and also a view of the participants that are in the meeting by that time. Okay, so this is pretty much that I wanted to show you. So let's hang out and
Let's let's leave. Let's close, and that's it. Remember Savio, then the calendar, and finally join the meeting. And remember, please download the app, Microsoft Teams, because it will be easier for you to work that way. Será mucho más fácil trabajar con la aplicación ya instalada. Okay, guys, have a great afternoon. Bye bye. See you soon.